Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert footnote, and also guys I will show you shortcut for footnote and how to update footnote. So very simple and easy way. Where you want to insert footnote, select that word and references, click on insert footnote, and here type your footnote. So this is my first footnote for this document. Similarly, you can write second footnote, select and insert footnote. So you have number 2, it's refer to the second footnote. This is the third one. And I will show you the shortcut. Like you want to insert footnote here, select it, Control Alt F. So you have now second footnote. I need here another one, Control Alt and F. Control Alt and F shortcut to insert footnote. Now to update these numbers, so click on this cross reference and here select footnote, and here you will see two options, footnote number and footnote number formatted. Select it, then click on insert and close it. Now numbers will be up to date, and also you can use this shortcut Control Alt P, Control P to update all footnote numbers in just one click. Control P. Also, you can use this shortcut to update all numbers, all footnotes in Microsoft Word. Control P. It's actually print shortcut. You can use it to update. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.